So this has two pens which are magnetized, they're not battery.
Yes.
And from that you can pick up a pen and write, but at the moment it's if I write black, this way. Yeah? So if I change to red, both pens are red.
Okay.
You then have IQ technology, so you have a whiteboard, which means you can then use it like an electronic flip chart. You also have different applications
Yes.
as well, so you've got home, you've got inputs, and you've got screen sharing as well. So you can do lots of different things with teachers with the college. So this is our entry-level product as well. So this is the kind of good, and we have a better and we have a best product as well.
Yes.
And then you can plug in different cords as well. You can also freeze frame, so you can pause the screen as well, so that whatever the teacher is doing on their laptop is not seen by the students as well.